Not too long ago, LED light bulbs used to be very exciting. And you know why? Because they hadn't standardized them yet. They all looked different, and this is one of them. My local thrift store has received a humongous donation of unused vintage light bulbs because some business went out of business. And today we're taking a look at this one because I need one from this size. It has a cardboard base which has some green goo on it. Let's see. Get this out here. This might explode when I plug it in. Yeah, but now let's just jump back to the packaging here. It's Lego. It's not a Lego. Acriche Lego, whatever that means. It's a Model R50 and it has a power draw of 4.5 watts. Can we see? We have a website here from Poland, you know. We got some kind of a stamp of which says 97. That would be an old one. Gray outside color and warm white. Quite a variety here. And they tell you here, yeah, 35,000 hours and 230 lumens. So it's like a 230 watt light bulb, which would be a quite significant output. It's a E13 socket. It has 10 years warranty, so that should be a good sign. It is screwed down with some little Torx screws, so you can probably even service this one. Just take those out and replace the LED module. Seems to be a single LED with an internal reflector. We do have a plastic housing with some heatsink fan thingies in it, and it is made to go in a lamp where it points down, like one of them decorative ones. The base is also green, unless it has discolored from something. Got some more ventilation holes here. Well, now let's just see if it works. Yeah, it works. And it is quite flickery, but only on camera. It is not flickering for the naked eye, but it is not very bright, I have to say. This is not 230 lumen, but it is a very concentrated beam, so you have probably measured it in a center. And you can't see this flickering with your bare eyes. You can even see some light shining through it here. Let's see if we can. Oh yeah, strobe warning. I personally think strobing light is very relaxing. I like to look into a strobe lamp just to... But I'm probably the only one. Yeah, quite a neat one. Well, I guess for the next update video on this lamp, we will see each other in 33,000 hours. Oh, that's a nice thumbnail picture here. You know, like this. Oh yeah, by the way, if you enjoy random electronics videos like this, like and subscribe. And now the question is, do I have a screwdriver to fit this so we can look inside? Let me pause a moment.